Today we are starting with the new exercise 5.2. This is a very interesting exercise. It has the puzzles and you have to tax your brain to solve these puzzles. There will be some missing letters in it and we have to find those missing letters. So let's have first example. It is 42q plus 2q7 and the answer is given 693. See, you have to find this missing letter Q. Now, as there is just one letter which is missing, that means at both these places, the digit which you will put, it will be same. Right? So, what we have to think, you have to see this number is 7 and the answer coming is 3. So, what should be added to 7 so that you get something in 3? Now, it is very clear that when you add something to 7, you cannot get the answer 3. So, you can get 13 because you cannot get a smaller number when you add something to 7. So when you add something to 7, that means a bigger number will be there, and when you add something to 7, then unit digit is 3 means 7 plus dash is equal to, it can be 13. It cannot be 23 also because that number will become 2 digit, then number ज़्यादा बड़ा हो जाएगा. So we have to just think that what will be added to 7 so that we get 13. So the number will be 6. 7 plus 6 is 13. Now 1 is carried here. So 2 plus 1 is 3 and we have to put the same number 6 here. You can see 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 6 9. So 4 plus 2 6. So we have got the answer. That means Q is equal to 6. So once again I am repeating this question. You have to see that what number will you get for Q. Right? When you look at the question, you can see that there is 7 and the answer is 3. Something needs to be added to 7. 7 में हमें कुछ प्लस करना है so that answer में हमारा unit digit 3 हो. Now whenever we'll add something to 7, the answer will be greater than 7. So it cannot be just 3. It can be 13 because we see that this number is 3. So something added to 7 will give you 13. It cannot be 23 also. Because it will be 20, if it will be 23, then this number will be 2 digit, which is not possible to write here. Q. We want the answer in 1 digit only. So that means it can be 13. So 7 plus dash is 13 means 7 plus 6 is 13. We have put the value of Q as 6. So 6 plus 7 is 13, 1 carry. Again when I put here 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 6, 9. So I have got my answer 693. So my answer for Q is 6. Second example. Example number 2 is 1, 2, A and then 6, A, B. When you add, you get the answer A, 0, 9. Now, there are two missing letters, A and B. Now, A plus B is 9. We don't know any of these. A plus B is 9. Now, there can be many combinations. 2 plus 7 is 9. 1 plus 8 is 9, then 3 plus 6 is 9, 4 plus 5 is 9. So many combinations are there. But what you have to see here, that whatever number you put here, the same number is to be put here as well as here also. Because all are A. So we'll look for the other option. 2 plus the A is equal to 0. The 2 plus A cannot be 0. Something added to 2 cannot be 0. That means it can be 10. It can be 10 because next number which has a unit digit 0 is 10 after 0. So what will be added to 2 to get 10? 8. So it will be 8. Now we will check. We have found that A is 8. So if I put A here 8 and if I put 8 here, so will I get the answer? 8 plus B is 9. So 8 plus 1 is 9. Got it. 2 plus 8 is 10. So 0 and 1 carry. 6 plus 1 7, 6 plus 1 7 and plus 1 8. So I am getting my answer 8 here. That means my answers are correct. So I will write A is equal to 8 and B is equal to 1. Got it? Once again I am repeating. 1, 2A, 6A, 8. The answer is this. Now we don't know both A and B. So we have to think that A plus B is 9 given. So there are many combinations. 3 plus 6 is 9. 4 plus 5 is 9. 1 plus 8 is 9, 2 plus 7 is 9. So we don't know which combination should we put. But at the same time, it is very clear that whatever number we will put here, the same number is to be put here as well as here, because all are A's. So we look for the other combination. 2 plus A is 0 given. So 2 plus A cannot be 0. Something when we add, we get a bigger number. So the next number other than 0 which has a units place 0 is 10. So that means 2 plus dash is 10. When you will find A, it will be 8, because when you add 8 to 2, you will get the answer 10. That means A can be 8. So we will put the A 8 and check. So we have put 8 here, 8 here and 8 here. Now we will see whether we are getting the answer or not. So if I put here 8, I want 9. So what will be added to 8 to get 9? 1. So 8 plus 1 is 9. Similarly, 2 plus 8 is 10, 0 and 1 carry. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1. Again we have got the answer 8 here. That means my A is 8 and B is 1. So this is how we have done. Are you finding it interesting? I am finding it very much interesting. So you have to just tax your brain, apply your brain to get these answers, right? Next is about multiplication. It is AB multiplied by 3 and your answer is CAB. Now see, when you put something here, here also it should get the same. So 3 multiplied by what will be same? You can see 3 ones are 3. It's not same. Both of these should be same. 3 twos are 6. Again not same. When I put 2 here, I am not getting 2 here. Similarly 3 into 3. Not 2 means the unit digit should be 2. It is 9. Again not same. 3 fours are 12. Again not same. Unit digit. 3 fives are 15. Here I am getting the same. When I put 5, I am getting 5 as the unit digit. So I can put 5 here and check. 3 fives are, here also 5, and then 1 will be carry. Right? Now I want the answer 3A. When you add 1 to it, I should get CA. Whatever number I get here, the same number I should get here also. So how will I get? Now, it will be 3 into A plus 1 is equal to CA, you have to see. So what you can put? You can put what? If I put 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 1, 4. That it is a 1-digit number. So not possible. I want 2-digit number here. So some bigger number I should take. So if I take 3 fives are 5, 15 plus 1, 16, not possible. 3A plus 1, if I take 3 sevens are, it will be 22. Again it is not there. 3 eights are 24 plus 1, 25. Again not possible. 3 nines are, again not possible. That means this is incorrect. Means we have put this value wrong because we are checking it. So that means that is not at all possible. So what we will do? We have to think of some other thing then. How will we think of it? It was AB into 3. Now we were checking that only in 5 we were getting the same unit digit. Right? Only at 5. But at one more place you can get the same digit. How? If you put 0. 3 zeros are 0. Then you can get. And then if I put here 5, then I get here, I'll get here also 5. So 3 fives are, I can get 15. Right? So now I can get the answer C1, A5 and B0. Got it? So again I am repeating. When we put 5, I know that 3 fives are 15. So I was getting the same units place. But we didn't get the answer same here when we put some value for A. There we were not getting the same answer. So we have rejected that, the case B as 5. Now one more thing, one more number is there. When we put B as 0, then also we get 0. So 3 zeros are 0. Now I want A to be such so that I get the units place same. So I have put here 5, 3 fives are 15. So from here C is 1, A is 5 and B is 0. So this is satisfying. Right? Little bit confusing? Okay, no problem. So let's have few questions from the exercise also, and few questions you will be doing yourself. So question number 1, second part I am doing for you. 5a, 7, 9, and your answer is C, B and 3. Now see, 9 plus dash is 3. 9 plus a, we want unit digit 3. So unit digit 3 means I want 13. So how will you get 13? When you add 4 to it. So 9 plus 4 is 13, 1 carry, and it will be 5 plus 1, 6 plus 7, 13. So your C will be 1, B is 3, and your A is 4. So this is the answer. This is a simple question. Let's have one more part. Third part also we'll do. Third part. 4, 2A, 2A, 5. And your answer is A, 0, 2. Now, A plus 5. You want the unit digit 2. A plus 5 unit digit 2 means what number do you want? You want 12. So how do you get 12? What number will you add to 5 to get 12? You'll get 7. So we'll check for 7 in all the numbers. All should be A. 7 plus 5 is 12. 1 carry. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 7, 10. It is correct. So 1 carry. 4 plus 1, 5 plus 2, 7. So that means our A should be 7. We have checked it, that whichever number we are putting, it is correct. Right? Next, I am doing 6th part of question number 1. 6th part. So it is A, 2, 1, B. Then 1, C, A, B. And your answer is B, 4, 9 and 6. Now, you can see the same number you have to add and you will get the answer 6. How? Which two numbers you will add to get 6? Same numbers. So, you can add 3 plus 3, 6. Okay, one more combination can be there. What is that combination? 8 plus 8. You will get 16. So in both these combinations you are getting 6. So just check for first one then. If I put here 3. 3 plus 3, 6. Now 1 plus dash is 9. So here it will be 8. And if it is 8 here, 8 will be here also. And B I have put, it should be 3. Not possible. You can see that 8 plus 1 cannot be 3 because B I have already taken as 3. That means this case is rejected. I cannot take B as 3. Once again I am repeating, the same number you have to add and your unit digit should be 6. So we have thought of the things 1 plus 1, 2, not possible. 2 plus 2, 4, not possible. 3 plus 3, 6. Yes, we are getting the unit digit 6. Then we have thought of some other options also. 4 plus 4, not possible. 5 plus 5, 10, not possible. 6 plus 6, 12, not possible. 7 plus 7, 14, not possible. 8 plus 8, 16, I am getting the unit digit 6. So first I have tried with 3. So when I tried with 3, it is 3 plus 3, 6. Got the answer. 1 plus dash is 9, 1 plus 8 is 9. If I am putting A as 8 here, I have to put A 8 here also and my B should be 3. So I have checked here. 8 plus 1 is 9, but here I am getting 3. So that means this combination of 3 plus 3 is rejected. We cannot put it. So I am just rejecting it. And now I am taking the other option. 8 plus 8. So we will check it again. 8 plus 8 is 16. 1 carry. 1 plus 1 is 2. And what will you add to 2 to get 9? 7. So 2 plus 7 is 9. So if I am getting 7 here, I have to put 7 here also and B as 8 here. 7 plus 1, 8, it is correct. So just we have to see here, 2 plus dash is 4, it is 2. That means my A is 7, B is 8 and C is 2. So this is my answer for the question. Right? This is how you have to apply logics. Next, let's have question number 8. It's of minus. Just one part is there of subtraction. So I'm doing it for you. A, B, B, 6. And your answer is 47. Now see, B, both the numbers should be same. So we have to think by which number you subtract 6 to get 7. Very clear? 13. So here it will be 13, and that means 1 is to be borrowed from here. So whatever answer you get here, right, 1 will be added to it. Okay. So 13 minus 6 is 7. That means my B is 3. So here also 3. From which number you will subtract 3 so that you get 4? 7. Right. And as this 3 has taken 1 from it, so my A should be 8, not 7. Got it? This is little bit confusing, so try to understand it. The number is AB minus B6 is 47. So I have to see that these two answers should be same. Now first, B minus 6 is 7. B minus 6 is 7. From which number will you subtract 6 to get 7? We know that it is 13. 13 minus 6 is 7. Right? So I want the number 13. But I cannot put B as 13. I have to put the unit digit also only. So B I have put as 3. Now this B has to take 1 from this A, borrow 1 from this A to get 13. So B I am taking as 3, and I have taken 1 here. Whatever number I put as A, I'll just add 1 to it to get the proper number. Now if this is 3, this B will also be 3. So A minus B is 4. A minus 3 is 4. So what will be A? We know it is 7. But as this A has given something to it, so when you write A, 1 will be added to it. So answer would be A is equal to 8 and B is equal to 3. So this will be my answer. Right? Then one question of multiplication also we'll do. Let's have it. Let us do 10th part. It is AB into AB, and your answer is 6AB. Now see, all these numbers should be same. So if I put 1 1, 1 ones are 1, but I want this 2-digit number, right? So we have to think of something else. Same numbers you have to multiply. That means 11 into 11 you can have. So just think of the perfect squares for this. Now this particular question, because same numbers are to be multiplied. 11 11s are 121. We cannot. We should have the number which has a perfect square from 6. Now look for the perfect squares of 6. Perfect squares which start from 6. It is 3-digit number. It can be 625 or 676, because 25 square is 625 and 26 square is 676, right? So these two can be there. Now out of this, which will be possible? 25, because 25 into 25 is 625. So my A is 2 and B is 5. This way you have to think, right? So rest of the questions you will be trying yourself. Now example number 4, you can see, fill in the blanks to complete number triangle, which is Pascal's triangle. So just this example also I am telling Pascal's triangle. How is it? 1 1 1. Then it is 1 2 and then 1. Then it is 1 3 3 and then 1. Then it is 1. Then this is dash 6. Then this is dash and then 1 again. Then 1 dash. Then 1 more dash. Then it is 10. Then dash and then 1. So what is here? What you can see, that if you see 1 plus 1 is 2, right? Then 1 plus 2, in between it is written 3. 2 plus 1, 3. Sides, all ones are going on. Then what can be done? 1 plus 3, it will be 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 1 is again 4. Then look here, 1 plus 4 is 5. Okay, 1 plus 4 is 5. 4 plus 6 is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. And then 4 plus 1 will be 5. So this is how you have to see Pascal's triangle. So there can be multiplication also, there can be addition also. So you have to see it properly and then you have to put the values, right? Now similarly, example number 5, it's the magic square. You have done it earlier also in your holidays homework sometimes, magic squares. What is there? Magic square, rows and columns are same. There are 3 rows and 3 columns. Right? 8, 3, and this is blank, this is 5 given. You have to use the numbers 1 to 9 so that in each row and each diagonal, each column, your sum should be 15. You have to make it 15. So how will we do it? Rows means this, column means this, and diagonal is this. So this way, and this way, your answer should be 15. Now, here 2 numbers are given, 8 plus 3, 11. So what will you add to 11 to get 15? You will get 4. So answer will be 4 here. Right? Now if you see this one, 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus dash is 15. What is 8 plus 8 dash? 7. So here it will be 7. Now we have got 1 column, 1 row. We can move diagonally now because 2 numbers are there. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus dash is 15. So it will be 6. Okay. Now again we have got 2 numbers here. 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus dash is 15. 2. Again we have got 2 numbers here. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus dash is 15. 9. Again we have got 2 numbers either from this side or from this side. Anywhere you can do. So we can have 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. So this is how we have filled the magic square. So I have done all the examples of this exercise. Now few questions from exercise also I have done. So for rest of the questions, just apply your logics, tax your brain and do this exercise today. Okay? You'll have an interest with this exercise. You'll find it interesting and try to solve it today itself. Thank you so much.